Hello students, I am here with a very important question for your GTU exam of Construction Engineering and Management, that is, explain what do you mean by resource leveling. Explain step by step process of resource leveling. Now we will discuss about resource leveling. In a project, there are many activities which need varying resources. The demand on specific resource should not increase beyond the prescribed limit. If the demand of a resource increases more than its availability, then the only alternative is to delay the activity having maximum float. This process is called resource leveling. If there are more than one activities requiring the same amount of resources, in that case, activity having minimum duration is chosen for resource reallocation. Resource leveling is adopted in case there is restriction on the availability of resources. Now, steps in resource leveling. The peak requirement of the resources is lowered by staggering the resource input on non-critical activities. If needed, subcritical and critical activities may also be rescheduled to bring down the peak demand than specified limits. Thus, the completion of project work may be delayed due to resource constraints. Either some of the concurrent activities may be placed in series, or the duration of critical activities may be increased or reduce the peak demands below the specified limits. This will increase the duration of the project. Rearrange the activities having larger magnitude of positive float, as resources can be diverted conveniently from the activities having large amount of float. Following procedure may be adopted. First, the high peak of resource demand should be lowered utilizing the free float of the activities. Non-critical activities may be rescheduled to the required extent utilizing the floats, starting with the activity having larger float if necessary. Critical activities may also be taken. If we talk about the sum of this resource leveling, what we have to do, we have to find the float for individual activities, and then arrange those activity in descending order of float. Means the activity which has larger float is entered in first, and according to that. Okay, so after that we have to rearrange the activities in 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 a schedule that we get the uniform allocation of resources. Okay, uniform demand of resources as achieved, we have to move the activities as per the float. Okay, I hope all of you are clear about this. Thank you.